Hello everybody, my name is Jali 4S7 Juliet Lima. Today I will like to show you how to replace your SART battery. So when you order the battery will come with some of the items. Example, this is the lithium ion battery valid for 5 years. Two gel bags, one O-ring, expiry date, label, sealing label, battery manufactured date label, and this small piece is called anti-corrosive tape. Plus you will have some sort of a rubber sealing package. Along with that, you will receive two documents. One is how to replace the battery, other one is the declaration of conformity. So keep these two in hand, and you have to file this one on your file also. To carry out the small task, you need small tools. One is small paper cutter, other one is some sort of a Vaseline. So let's start. So you have to open the battery cover, and you have to break the seal. So you open, you can keep the lid aside. This is the rubber packing. Inside you can see all gel bags. You have to remove both, so no need. And carefully you have to remove the battery. Here it's connect to the PCB with the clip. Just give a push, it will come out. It's a foolproof connector, so you will not connect the new battery on the wrong way. It will go only on one side. Now we are ready to insert the battery. Insert carefully. You can see there are some slots, so battery have some sort of a slotting device. It will not go in a wrong direction. It will exactly fit nicely. After that, you have to connect your cable. After you connect, just to give a nice touch, so it will go all the way around. After that, need to insert new silica gel, one pack, your second silica gel pack, and you have to put the anti-corrosion tape also. So battery is nicely inside. You have to put the rubber cover. So for the moment, keep a bit ready to put the final cover. So I am removing the old O-ring. So I apply lightly some silica gel. Put your new O-ring. Okay. Now we have to slowly close the EPUB. So before you put the stickers, I usually testing. So on test position, you can see the indicating sound and the indicating beeps, so that means battery is good. Now is the easiest part. Need to remove all labels. So I'm going to put the expiry date label. This is the place for the expiry date label. Battery manufacturing date. Even though the battery is valid for 5 years, you have to install the battery within 18 months of manufacturing. So you have to have the battery manufacturing label. Looks good. Finally we have to seal the compartment. Looks good. Finally we have to insert the expiry date on the expiry date label. So my battery will expire on 2027 on October. So I have to peel out number 10 plus 27 on the expiry date label using a small knife. You can do it. So finally I remove by using a small knife 27 and the 10th. So we are ready to install on board. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video. Hope to see you next time.